These Clerodendrum. It's a family of these flowering plants, and they have that kind of a conical kind of a pagoda type of shape, and quite a few of them are there. This one is quite common and easy to grow also, and it has a long flowering season. Then birds and bees and all are coming for it. It has some fruit also, and then the flowers are aromatic, very nice and fragrant, and they're hardy. They can grow by themselves, most of these plants. So it's another beautiful plant. Somehow it doesn't seem to be attractive enough for garden people, though I don't see them in gardens.